In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change all hardware IDs on your PC or laptop. Before we dive in, I want to quickly explain what we're dealing with. Hardware IDs are unique identifiers that Windows and different programs use to recognize your physical components, like your motherboard, hard drive, network adapter, and so on. These IDs are often used for things like driver matching, licensing, and some security checks. Because of that, changing them is not something you should do casually. Make sure you have a clear reason for doing this, and always understand that you're making advanced changes to how your system identifies itself. First, before touching anything, create a full system backup or at least a restore point. This gives you a safety net in case something goes wrong or a driver stops working properly. On Windows, you can search for Create a Restore Point, open it, and then manually create one. It only takes a few minutes and can save you from a full reinstall later. Next, make sure all your drivers and Windows updates are installed and stable. If your system already has driver issues, trying to change hardware IDs can make troubleshooting much harder. Close any unnecessary programs, especially anything security-related that might interfere with system-level tools. To view your current hardware IDs, open Device Manager. You can do this by right-clicking on the Start button and choosing Device Manager. Pick a device, right-click it. Go to Properties, and then navigate to the Details tab. In the drop-down list, select Hardware IDs. This view lets you see the identifiers Windows uses for that specific device. Now, the important part. Some hardware IDs can be influenced or changed through the system registry or specialized tools, while others are essentially burned into the physical hardware and can't be truly changed, only masked or spoofed. For example, you might use third-party software to change disk serials, MAC addresses, or other identifiers at the software level. When using any tool like this, always download it from a trusted official source. Scan it with your antivirus, and carefully follow its documentation. After making changes, restart your computer so Windows can redetect your devices using the updated identifiers. Once you're back in Windows, return to Device Manager. Check the same devices and confirm that the IDs now appear as expected. If something breaks, roll back drivers or use the restore point you created. Take your time with each step. Double-check what you're editing and avoid changing anything you don't fully understand. This methodical approach will help you safely manage your hardware IDs without causing long-term issues to your system.